Finding the right supplier can make or break your dropshipping business. In 2025, competition is tougher than ever. You need reliable suppliers who deliver high-quality products, fast shipping, and good profit margins. In this video, I'll share the 15 best dropshipping suppliers and directories you should know this year, whether you are selling in the US, Europe, or worldwide. Plus, I'll break down how to choose the best dropshipping supplier, avoid scams, and even give you tips on where to find hidden suppliers your competition doesn't know about. Before we get into the list, a quick refresher. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without holding inventory. When someone buys from your store, you forward that order to your supplier, and the supplier ships the product directly to your customer without you handling product packaging, shipping, or anything else. No warehouse, no upfront bulk buying. Your supplier becomes the backbone of your business. That's why choosing the right one is critical. Let's dive in. Number 1 is Shopify Collective. If you already use Shopify, this is no brainer. Shopify Collective lets you sell product directly from other Shopify brands, often trusted names with high quality items. It is free to use with global shipping, but only available for Shopify users. Great for US-based stores looking to sell respected brands. Number 2 is Sell the Trend. Sell the Trend is one of the hottest all-in-one AI-powered platform right now. Not only is it a supplier, but also as a powerful product research tool and competitor analytics. You can literally spy on trending products, import products directly to your Shopify store, and start selling in minutes. Number 3 is AliExpress. This classics giant, millions of products, super cheap, but shipping can take weeks unless you pay for a premium shipping or use a fulfillment center. It is best for beginner testing products. Number 4 is Deezers. Think of Deezers as AliExpress on steroids. It integrates directly with AliExpress, helps you compare suppliers, and lets you place bulk orders automatically. A real time saver. Number 5 is Worldwide Brands. This is one of the oldest directories, around since 1999. They pre-vet suppliers and offer lifetime access to millions of wholesale products. Great for legitimacy, but no Shopify integration. 6 is Zendrop. Zendrop has exploded in popularity, especially with Shopify sellers. Over 1 million products, plus US warehouses for 5-day shipping. You can even add custom packaging and subscription boxes. Great for branding. Number 7 is Modalist. If you are after branded or luxury products, check out Modalist. They partner with brands like Calvin Klein. It's pricier, but perfect for store selling premium products. Number 8 is Wholesale Central. This one is completely free to use. They make suppliers pay to be listed. Mostly US-based suppliers across multiple categories. No fancy integration, but great for discovery. Number 9 is Mega Goods. It is a niche supplier focused on electronics, from Bluetooth speakers to kitchen appliances. Shipped from California within the US. Smaller catalog, but excellent if electronics is your niche. The 10th supplier is CJ Dropshipping, a cheaper alternative to AliExpress with faster processing times. They even have US warehouse and their own carrier, CJ Packet. You can also request custom products. Number 11 is Wholesale to Be. This one is all about automation, real-time inventory sync, order tracking, and over 1 million products. Primarily ships to the US and Canada. So it's very North American focused. Number 12 is Doba. With Doba, you manage all your suppliers in one dashboard. It integrates with eBay and Shopify, and for only $24.99 per month, it's affordable. Think of it as a convenient tool more than just a directory. Number 13 is Sell.O. Super popular with eBay and Amazon sellers, with over 8,000 vetted suppliers and starting at just $9 per month. It is great for beginners who want a safe place to start. Number 14th is Alibaba. Alibaba is the go for buying in bulk, but some suppliers also do dropshipping. Massive catalog, but shipping can take weeks. Best if you plan to scale and mix wholesale with dropshipping. Now here is the thing, not all suppliers are created equally. So here are 3 tips on how to choose the best dropshipping supplier. 1. Avoid suppliers with crazy low prices. This often means poor quality products. Number 2. Check shipping times. Long delays and delivery kills customer satisfaction. Number 3. Look for automation features like inventory sync or bulk order tools, which saves you hours as you scale. This brings us to our next question, how to find hidden suppliers. Now, beyond directories, here are ways to discover suppliers your competitors don't know about. 1 is to call the manufacturers directly and ask for wholesalers. Number 2 is to order from your competitor and reverse engine the supplier. Number 3, use trade shows or industry expos to build relationships. Lastly, dig deep into the Google search engine. The best suppliers on the internet normally have the worst websites. So those are the best 15 dropshipping suppliers to use in 2025. Remember, your supplier is your business partner. Choose carefully because your reputation depends on them. If you want to start dropshipping today, the easiest way is with Shopify. I've dropped a link in the description below so you can start your free trial today. Shopify gives you 3 days free trial. Then after the 3 days ends, you are going to pay $1 per month instead of paying the usual $32 per month. Smash that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more e-commerce strategies and let me know in the comment section below which supplier are you most excited to try this year. See you in the next one. Bye.